Hi, welcome to the McGuffey Readers Online Tutor. Today's lesson is from the McGuffey's first Eclectic Reader, the revised edition, and we will be reading prose today in dialogue form. The spoken and written ordinary language, but it's going to be a conversational exchange between two people today. We are on lesson 55, A Bird's Nest, Part 1. A bird's nest. Are you ready? Here we go. Come here, Rose. Look down into this bush. Oh, Willie! A bird's nest! What cunning little eggs! May we take it and show it to Mother? What would the old bird do, Rose, if she should come back and not find her nest? Oh, we would bring it right back, Willie. Yes, but we could not fasten it in its place again if the wind should blow it over and the eggs would get broken. Let's read this one more time together. Here we go. Come here, Rose. Look down into this bush. Oh, Willie, a bird's nest! What cunning little eggs! May we take it and show it to Mother? What would the old bird do, Rose, if she should come back and not find her nest? Oh, we would bring it right back, Willie. Yes, but we could not fasten it in its place again. If the wind should blow it over, the eggs would get broken. Let's look at the vocabulary words for today. They are bush, cunning, place, show, find, broken, over, bring, again, fasten. Let's take a closer look at these words. Let's look at the words with one syllable. You might want to clap through them. Bush, place, show, find, bring. Let's clap through the two-syllable words. Cunning, broken, over, again, fasten. And notice those two last words, again and fasten. Those are very old English words, and they are an exception to the rule. We pronounce them again with the short E sound and fasten without the T. So keep that in mind. Again, fasten. And then we have some long vocal sounds. Remember that long vocal sounds are vowel sounds. Long vowel sounds. We have the long A sound in the word place. Place. And we have the long A sound in last in the word fasten. We have the long I sound in find. Find. And the long O sound in the words show, broken, and also over. The long O in over. We have some short vocal sounds. Remember, those are short vowel sounds. And we have that short E sound in the word again. Again, in the second syllable. We have the short I sound in the word bring. Bring. And we have the short U sound in the word cunning. Cunning. We have no diphthongs today, no oys or ows, but we do have some substitutes. And do you remember what a substitute is? A substitute is a letter that takes the sound of another letter. A letter that takes the sound of another letter. And today we have the C that is taking the K sound. C as K in cunning, in the beginning of cunning. And the C as S in place. Place. And then we have the aspirates, which are the consonant sounds that release a breath of air when we pronounce them. We have some aspirates today. Let's look at them. In bush, we have the SH in bush. We have the C as K in cunning. We have the P and the C as S in place. We have the SH in show. We have the F in find. We have the K in broken. We have the F and the S in fasten. Remember, we do not pronounce the T in that word, fasten. And then we have some subvocals, which are also consonant sounds that are mouthed but not spoken. Consonant sounds that are mouthed but not spoken. You're not going to release a puff of breath when you pronounce these sounds. We have the B in bush. We have the N and NG in cunning. Cunning. We have the L in place. We have the W in show. We have the N and the D in find. We have the B, the R, and the N in broken. We have the V and the R in over. We have the B, the R, and the NG in bring. The G and the N in again. Remember, we're pronouncing it A-G-E-N, again. And the N in fasten. We're not pronouncing the T. And let's not forget something very important, and those are the punctuation marks that we'll be learning in more detail in later lessons. But we have the full stop at the end of sentences. You'll see the comma, the semicolon, the exclamation mark, the interrogation mark or the question mark, and also the quotation marks. So let's read the lesson one more time. Are you ready? Here we go. Come here, Rose. Look down into this bush. Oh, Willie, a bird's nest. What cunning little eggs. May we take it and show it to Mother? What would the old bird do, Rose, if she should come back and not find her nest? Oh, we would bring it right back, Willie. Yes, but we could not fasten it in its place again. If the wind should blow it over, the eggs would get broken. Well, that's our lesson for today, and I hope that you go to the McGuffeyreaders.blogspot.com for more lessons and worksheets. And I hope you visit me again. Talk to you later. See you at part 2. Bye-bye.